What is this new Salsit? You tell
I
me.
am very confident we will be able to give a majority to the BJP in Nuvai constituency.
It's a big statement, Alex.
Yes, it
And
is
you
a
are
big
coming
statement.
on
It
in
is
front
a
of
big
camera
statement.
and saying
It
it.
is a big statement. We will try our best to give a majority to BJP.
Lead.
A lead. A lead in Nuvai constituency.
To BJP.
Yes.
On a BJP symbol.
On a BJP. To BJP
I
it has to be on a
digest
symbol.
kar- What is this new Salsit? You are saying BJP will get lead in Salsit because you have made a very, very daring statement that you will give lead to BJP in your constituency.
I am saying
If
that
by
I
going
am-
that yardstick, BJP should get lead in practically every Salsit constituency.
I am saying that BJP will win. Categorical statement number one is BJP will win South Goa.
हय. ते तुमगे जनरल स्टेटमेंट जालें.
Next,
हय.
we will all chip in and contribute to that victory.
सालसेतीक बीजेपीक लीड मेळटली.
If why not? Or it will not lose by that margin that it used to lose before.
They will be substantially lower.
Much lower. Otherwise, how do we win the seat?
But you are saying it's a fair thought to ponder upon.
Why not? What is the scope on that idea? We are talking. We just celebrated Women's International Day, International Women's Day.
Yeah.
So maybe this is food for thought, and they are considering. Rightly or wrongly, they will take a decision. And just having thrown that thought doesn't mean they've decided to give the ticket to a lady.
Revolutionary movements. कोणाक चड डेंजर आसा या ट्रायंगुलर कॉन्टेस्टाचो?
We can't compare assembly elections and Lok Sabha elections. Lok Sabha elections are fought on one thing, assembly elections are fought on another. How do we know? Tomorrow they may also join Congress and
कोण आरजी?
can't say. Everything is possible. Everything is possible.
जनरली म्हाका तुम्ही म्हणटले आरजी विल जॉइन बीजेपी कारण ते तांकां तुमची बी टीम म्हणटात.
ते म्हणटाय ते जायत म्हणटाल. There's only one constituency in Goa, you'll agree with me, where they didn't put one or two constituencies where they didn't put a candidate.
Correct.
So in whose favor was it? Wasn't it in favor of the Congress? So you should wonder whether BJP and RG and Congress have an alignment somewhere, an unwritten understanding.